Hey guys, so we're working on the 84. Everything comes out really simple. I've been keeping my hardware over here. You see it's mainly the hex head screw type bolts. You have it on four on each face, four there, four there, four there. And then there's these two, one and two. And then now you're gonna see me pull the whole top piece out. Hey guys, Rad Performance here. So recently I showed you how to take off the shift knob. So after that, you pull out the top piece of the center console, which is all little screws that attach in to various places, and then you pull this off. I had to get this nearly vertical as well as I could, and it would stay in place. And then I pulled that dash bezel by turning it right and just trying to slip this out. A little difficult, but perhaps I did something wrong, I don't know. So for the bottoms, you have these two here, and this is one just like it. So I pulled those three out, and this thing seems just about ready to pull out. Let me just double check. So this center console does move out quite well, but now I realize I have all the connections back here that you're gonna have to disconnect to actually get this thing out of the car. Okay guys, so I've gone about unbolting the four screws that hold this in place, and then unbolting the four screws that hold this in place. This just comes right out, but this guy we're actually gonna have to disconnect in order to pull the console. Getting this ready to come out, pulling out those three. I think it's blue, white, and black. And then I'm gonna have to take off this clip right here and find a way to pull him out as well. So you just pull up on this tab while trying to pop out this smaller insert, and then this comes undone, and then all you have left is this piece. And then of course that audio jack, when you pull on it, it just slips right out. That's to disconnect the radio. And once you move this out of your way, I should have this thing out of the car. So for the record, this bracket makes things exceptionally difficult. This is the angle of which I'm removing my center console out from. This needs to be nearly vertical. It might be because my parking brake doesn't really like to stay up. So that might be part of the difficulty, but this was the way I was able to get it actually up and out of the car. So yeah, after that, you can just pull it out. Wide open. Console's back here. Now I need to remove my carpet. I think I'm just gonna have to make some incisions, because it wraps under a lot of these things, like this with the electronics, this with the parking cable. So might be the easiest way of doing it. That'll probably be in another video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and follow along for the build of this 84.